You guys aren't joking when you're saying that there needs to be more people doing transcription. I came across the Learn to Transcribe course, did a little bit of digging, and decided that I wanted to give it a shot. Just starting up your own business is always really hard, right? So having the apprenticeship was really important to me. I really liked that it was kind of a go at your own pace thing because I had my own things going on, right? I'm a photographer as well. The reason why I was really eyeballing the transcription thing too was because I wanted the flexibility and just more freedom to kind of dip in both bowls, so to speak. I wanted to be able to do my photography and also have another job that I can do all the time and, you know, keep the money coming in for when you get those dry spells in photography. Practice files and everything was a lot of fun for me because I'm a true crime person as well. I'll sit down and watch murder documentaries just to relax before bed. So now I'm working. I've been working in my apprenticeship for a month and a half, almost 2 months now, and I'm super happy there as well. And we've got like a big group chat on Slack going and everything, so there's help right there. And even when I was in the course, you were like an email away, and even on weekends and evenings I would get an email back from you so fast, which I was not expecting. So that was really nice to have, because I'm surprised I didn't send you more emails with a million questions, but the course just seemed so thorough that I didn't need to be emailing you at crazy hours of the night and things like that. So you guys aren't joking when you're saying that there needs to be more people doing transcription. Deposition, any kind of file that they send over, I can finish it, send a message, be like, hey, just sent this in, is there anything else? And then the next morning I have something else to work on. So I'm not even just saying that because I'm gonna be on your social media or anything. I'm genuinely happy, and my partner's noticed that I have more energy and I am happier, and he noticed that I'm not dreading like going to work and coming down to use the computer or anything like that. He's noticed that I actively want to do the work. So I'm glad that I didn't just go out and Google transcription jobs or anything. I'm glad I took the course. Having all of this extra knowledge of what is possible in the programs that we use and what other kind of resources are available for the job, I wouldn't have known any of that without taking the course or anything, or having you just an email away.